Hello and welcome to this new video. Now I will present you another new RC plane project for this YouTube channel. I wanted to have this plane for a long time and I have many friends that are really enjoying flying this airplane. So now I'm also really happy and very excited that I have bought it. The plane is fully built out of glass fiber in molds with carbon reinforcement. It can fly with a recommended setup 200 km per hour. And the best thing is that the kit without any electric components costs only 169 euro and is available from Höllein shop, or called in German der himmlische Höllein. The plane has, in my opinion, an absolutely great relation between price, performance and build quality, and I just want to clarify that I bought the model by my own. Some of you will maybe know now the plane that's inside the box here. For all others, if you don't know it, of course that's no problem, because we will open it now together. I will change now the camera position, so you will have hopefully a better view of it. So let's go.
So here we have now our box, as it comes from the Höllein shop. Protected in some bubble wrap, we have our first part of the model, the fuse, with the elevator and the rudder. Rudder has no active function, so it only stabilizes the model in this case. The length of this fuse is 530 mm. Here you see now the tail unit a little bit closer. And here you see the part of the fuse where the wing gets mounted. And this is the frame for the motor. And here we have now the wing, also well protected in some bubble wrap. And it has two ailerons. These are the mounting holes. And this is the underside of the wing. The wingspan is 840 mm with a thickness of only 7.5%. These are the components that I will build into this model. For the ailerons and elevator I use the KST-Servo. The motor that I will build in is the recommended one from Höllein shop, and as a speed controller I use the YGE 35, and as a propeller and spinner I use also the recommended one from the Höllein. And here you see the accessory that was included in the kit and the instruction manual.
This was the unboxing and presentation of this beautiful airplane, the VOODOO. But before you leave, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. In future videos you will see the build of this model and programming and of course some flying scenes. Unfortunately, there are still 86% of my video watchers who haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. At the moment I put so much effort into this channel to present you some content about RC flying to make this hobby more famous. I can only continue with that when I get as much as possible support from you all here. The support is very easy and of course completely free by subscribing to my channel, hitting the like button and sharing some videos on social media or anywhere else. I would be really thankful if you could do this. Now we will come to the end of this video and I wish you a nice day. Goodbye.